Hello everyone, myself Ieshan Sharma, student of B.Sc Agriculture, second year. In my presentation, I will discuss about production technology of citrus. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Parshant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity. I would like to thank Dr. Parshant Bakshi sir for his immense efforts in providing quality education in this pandemic situation. Here are the contents of my presentation. Introduction. Citrus is a genus of flowering trees and shrubs in the rue family Rutaceae. Plants in the genus produce citrus fruits including important crops such as oranges, lemons, pomelos, grapefruits, etc. Citrus fruits originated in the tropical and subtropical regions of the Southeast Asia, particularly India and China. Citrus is the most cultivated fruits in the world. In world, Brazil, USA, China, Mexico and Spain are the 5 largest citrus producing countries. India ranks 6th in the production of citrus fruits in the world. Taxonomy. Kingdom Plantae. Division Magnoliophyta. Class Magnoliopsida. Subclass Rosidae. Order Sapindales. Family Rutaceae. Genus Citrusale. Varieties. Citrus consists of many different species, some of which are not edible. The varieties of citrus fruits available in India are: first, orange; second, Mosami; third, Kinnu; fourth, Mandarin; fifth, Tangerine; sixth, lemon; seventh, citron; eighth, pomelo; ninth, grapefruit; 10th, bitter orange; 11th, lime; 12th, kaffir lime; 13th, clementine; 14th, Indian wild orange. Propagation. Citrus trees are propagated both by seeds and vegetative means. First, seed propagation. It is still practiced in the case of acid limes and to produce rootstock for budding purposes. Second, vegetative propagation. Shield or tea budding is the most commonly used method of vegetative propagation. It is generally done either in spring or September. Tea budding or shield budding. In this method, a bud from desired variety is transferred on the rootstock with an objective of utilizing the vigorous root system of the rootstock and combining best characters of both. Irrigation. The critical period for irrigating citrus trees is during summer, when frequent light irrigation helps to lower soil temperature and to raise humidity. Watering at 5 to 6 days interval during summer and every 10 to 12 days during winter is very effective. Drip irrigation is becoming popular in water scarce area of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Use of drip system improves yield and give excellent quality of fruits. Sprinkler irrigation avoids the harmful effects caused by excessive supply and also save water. It needs 30 to 50% less water than surface irrigation. Climatic conditions. Citrus plants grow well in tropical and subtropical climates. The commercial yields of citrus orchards in the tropical region are 50% or less than that of those obtained in subtropical regions. Citrus except lemons require shorter days and cooler temperature in winter for a normal production. For sweet orange and lime, temperature between 28 to 32 degrees Celsius are considered ideal for optimum growth and productivity. Citrus species do best in regions with an annual rainfall of 1250 to 1850 mm. Soil conditions. Citrus trees grows in almost any soil that is well drained, sufficiently aerated and allows taproot to penetrate to the desired depth. Fertile, well aerated soils with a pH of between 6 to 6.5 are ideal. Soils with pH of more than 8.5 are unsuitable for successful growth and productivity of citrus. The growth, development and production of a plant depend on the physical characteristics of the soil, such as drainage, density, soil depth, structure, water holding capacity, etc. These characteristics differ in the various soil types. Orchard establishment. Site choice. Where possible, good drainage, appropriate soil, water availability, and likelihood of frost should be considered when choosing your orchard site. Clean nursing stock. When purchasing new trees and budwood, it is strongly recommended to use certified material. Variety and rootstock selection. Aim to select varieties desired by markets and consumers which are suited to your region and conditions. Orchard monitoring. Some examples of orchard monitoring are pest, disease and disorders, flowering and growth stages, fruit size, water use, etc. Planting. The best season of planting is June to August. Citrus trees should be planted in a sunny and wind protected area. Pits of size of 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter may be dug for planting seedlings. 15 to 20 kg of FYM and 500 gram of superphosphate is applied per pit while planting. With good irrigation system, planting can be done in other months also. Planting density. Orange, normal spacing 6 meter into 6 meter, plant population 275 per hectare. Sweet lime, normal spacing 5 meter into 5 meter, plant population 400 per hectare. Lime or lemon, normal spacing 4.5 meter into 4.5 meter, plant population 494 per hectare. In very light soils, spacing may be 4 meter into 4 meter. In fertile soils and in high rainfall areas, spacing may be 5 meter into 5 meter. Pruning. Pruning means removed diseased and dead twigs, branches and leaves. Best time for pruning is during the dry season or after harvest. Annual pruning of diseased and pest attacked branches is done in matured stage. To avoid damage to the fruit, mature fruit trees should not be pruned immediately before harvest or when mature fruits are on tree in early spring. Fertilizer application. In citrus, supply of adequate quantities of nutrients is very essential for sustainable high yields and for good quality of fruits over a long period of time. In the initial 4 to 5 years of vegetative growth and later during reproduction growth stage of crop, the nutritional requirements are different and must be met with as per their needs. Doses of fertilizers as per age of Nagpur oranges per tree. Age of tree 2 years 5 kg FYM, 240 grams nitrogen, 120 grams phosphorus. 3 years 10 kg FYM, 36 grams nitrogen, 180 grams phosphorus. 4 years 15 kg FYM, 480 grams nitrogen, 240 grams phosphorus. 5 years 20 kg FYM, 600 grams nitrogen and 300 grams phosphorus. Pests of citrus. First, citrus leaf miner. Symptom: making silvery appearance, presence on the lower surface of leaves. Leaves distorted and crinkled. Management: spray application of NSK 5%. Second, citrus butterfly. Symptom: caterpillars prefer on light green tender leaves. Severe infestation, the entire tree gets defoliated. Management: handpick the larva and destroy. Later stages, spray endosulfan 35 EC 2 ml per liter. Third, citrus thrips. Symptom: leaf curling, ring-like appearance on the fruit. Management: collection and damaged plant parts. Spray malathion 0.05% or carboryl 0.1%. Diseases of citrus. First, citrus canker. It is the most serious bacterial disease. Symptoms: yellow halo-like lessons or scabs on the fruit, leaves and twigs of citrus trees. Severe infections can cause leaf loss, fruit drop, etc. Control: this disease is treated by applying antibiotic formulation. Second, citrus tristeza, quick decline. Symptoms: dieback of small branches and twig, yellowing of leaves, heavy bearing of small fruits. Control: to control the aphid population by application of insecticides in the plantations. Third, citrus greasy spot. Symptoms: yellowing brownish blister spots on leaves, often on the underside of the leaf. As the disease develops, the spots develops into oily looking blisters. Control: spraying copper fungicide 2 times in summer help in controlling the disease. Harvesting. In North India, the main harvesting seasons in the months of August and September. It is best to harvest citrus on a clear, sunny day with low humidity. On a cloudy day, the fruit should be harvested in the afternoon. Fruit should not be harvested at all on a rainy day. Yield. Yield of citrus trees vary with so many factors like species, variety, location, age, rootstock used, management practices, etc. Average production of different citrus fruits are Mendarian. Average production is about 700 to 800 fruits per tree after stabilization. Sweet orange. Average production is about 500 to 600 fruits per tree after stabilization. Lemon or lime. Average production is about 1000 to 1500 fruits per tree after stabilization. Health benefits of citrus. First, citrus fruits are a rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and keeps the skin smooth and elastic. Second, they are a good source of fiber. Fiber has several health benefits, including improving digestive and lowering cholesterol. Third, they are low in calories, making them a smart choice for people seeking to lose or maintain their weight. Fourth, they may reduce the risk of kidney stones by raising citrate levels in the urine. Fifth, they may help fight or protect against cancer. They help in fight cancer by suppressing cancer, blocking the formation of new cancer and making carcinogens inactive. Sixth, they contain nutrients that boost heart health. Seventh, they may help boost brain function and protect from neurodegenerative disorders. Eighth, they also prevent hair loss and strengthen hair. Nutrition in different citrus fruits. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.